Welcome. Today, we're exploring the world of mythical birds. Let's dive into the magic. The thunderbird, a legendary creature from Native American mythology. Said to control the skies, it brings thunder with its wings and lightning with its eyes. A true symbol of power and storm. Sirin, a mystical bird from Russian legend, with a woman's face and a bird's body. Her songs are said to be so beautiful, they could entrance anyone, sometimes leading them to their fate. Qingniao, the blue bird of Chinese mythology. A divine messenger of the Queen Mother of the West, it's a symbol of grace, mystery, and heavenly guidance. Owlman, a mysterious figure from Cornish folklore. First spotted in the 1970s near Monnon Church, this winged creature with glowing eyes still haunts the skies of England's southwest. Nacktkrap, a terrifying bird from German and Austrian folklore. A creature of the night, it was said to snatch misbehaving children with its giant claws. A true nightmare with wings. Horus, the falcon-headed god of ancient Egypt. A symbol of kingship, the sky and protection, his eyes were said to be the sun and moon themselves. Garuda, a legendary bird in Hindu and Buddhist mythology. Known as the king of birds, Garuda is a symbol of power, speed, and freedom, often depicted as a giant golden eagle. The cinnamon bird, a mythical creature from ancient Arabian folklore. Known for its beautiful fragrant feathers, it is said to live in the distant lands, surrounded by cinnamon trees, and is a symbol of mystery and allure. Anka, a mythical bird from Arabian and Persian folklore. Known for its eternal life and rebirth, this majestic creature embodies the cycle of death and resurrection, much like the legendary phoenix. And that's it for today's mythical birds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing legends.